Teacher, my teacher, Stella Vista, Kukuna Peace, no Costa Rosta, one tap, Chagala Chiap. What's up, guys? Ako wa name of Refilwe, aka Ri, aka Ote Pandayo, aka Nix. Sibui Levie, another episode 24. Ngathukile
nje. Hayi ngisasehlele ini.
Usehlele yini? Yeah, episode 24 bafethu. And please guys, kupalesela bala subscribe bafethu, rating YouTube, Instagram. Sikhona bafethu open mic session, podcast. Sikhona bafethu. Kile tshwaretse OTs. OT ikilazwakala. I think it was season 1, yeah, season 1 episode. I think it was 8. Mfethu thangi uzwakele nje. Hola njami, hola. Ngiyabonga ukuthi uzwakele to. Ngiyabonga. Abanye bacavile ke. Ngicela ukuthi uintroduce uba bothi gore ubabulele gore kwena manga. First time oxakayi dinsa abantu.
Shapfede siyanibingelela.
Yeah.
Igama lami Otis aka Swift Bujiyedwa. On Facebook, on TikTok, on YouTube, on Instagram @thereal_Otis. Yeah, producer, Sham Music, representing Swaneville, the Lab Records. Thank you.
Salute njami. Ngiyabonga vie mfethu ukuthi uzwakele yabo. So since angitshayele since via uzwakele open mic session, unzuphusha vela otherwise.
Yeah, I can take a push because I was doing soul last time I came here.
Okay,
and I was focused with piano.
Piano.
And then as time went on, I discovered the love for a trap. So
I've
been doing.
Oh, change legend no.
Yeah.
Okay.
Kahle vele like mangikhula ngumuntu oncane hip hop yabo. But then like because of ama bias nama stereotypes of society, ezami zincane piano so ngithina sengileyo hype leyo ukuthi hayi ngiyabashayela piano plus vele liyashina because
yeah, sure.
Yeah, but then like I knew inside which it was not me. So I went out and I tested my 808 and I tested my orchestra and I was like, yeah, this is where I belong. So since then it's logo siya record siya upload. There's actually EP is logo siya market manje in Swift Cash. Yeah, featuring Uma Cash Malinda. It's available on everywhere.
So manje le EP lena iphethe uCash kuphela.
EP fede mina no Cash sisibhane kuyo Soy 2 and then we featured uJoy Zulu on one song Sebeyazi, and then there's the Combo S-League where we featured Ocean Tycoon and Slew the Cat, all from the Lab Records.
So EP sephumile?
Yeah, EP phumile, like I said, it's available everywhere. Swift Cash by Otis featuring my Cash Malinda.
Okay, name of the EP?
Swift Cash.
So why we be the song?
It's because Swift Cash.
Oh, Swift
Cash. It's Swift
Cash. Oh, so
Swift Cash is basically a combination yam noma Cash.
Okay,
stage name some Otis, but in the streets they call me Swift because everything I do is fast.
Yeah.
And then noma Cash is Cash for short. So Swift is Swift because he's at Cash. Studio kahle sigwa Cash. Yeah, so this is Swift at Cash and makephethu ma Cash wenza so. So like it's a blend of ama flavors from style saga Cash and style Sami. There's songs that accommodate the South African element, and then there's songs that are like international in terms of the sound. Yeah, understand. Yeah, we're not targeting a small number, just everyone on the music like uzoba writing and EP na music wethu nje in general.
So the EP is based on hip hop or trap or piano?
EP is based on lifestyle yethu namachita. That's us always hustling for the cash because everything is inside thing in mind. That's us hanging around about cherry because about cherry. As long as it's all nabo banqanyuza. So like the concept is based on the lifestyle is funa kuyiphila, but asikaka bina ma privilege ukuthi siphile, but sesiyayiphila because we already manifesting for a future yabo. So Swifted Cash is all about us experiencing lifestyle yethu now and in the future. So understand. If you can go there's tracks like Sebeyazi, of which content it is Sebeyazi kasi ukuthi siyashisa kumele siphume. Understand. There's a song called the Combo S-League labeng it is phethu Ocean no Slew. Combo S-League is basically amachita ashama combo a communicator is dwalo is communicate sound. Understand. So it's all out there.
So on that EP how many tracks?
there's 10 tracks.
Oh, wow, yes,
10 tracks, and then there's only 3 features, of which 2 are found in one song, and then the other one, we one go like a track, but then the rest him no cash. Yeah, akona ma track with Afro pop da, akona ma track with trap soul, but the main focus is the trap vibe.
So kule le yone EP era haona piano.
No, agna piano.
From 1 to 10, geen piano. It's
amachita ukuthi ngiyashaya scoop mara ngani hip hop. I'm trying to put it out there to say ukuthi I'm a hip hop cat, like from impilo yasekhasi nasendlini yabona. That's where I feel like expressing the fullest me, because hip hop it's all about that lifestyle.
So yona le project le nispane kule EP le ni to pay. Nispane ni to pay. Okay. Music videos.
Right now we only got promos going. We have a thing about my music video. Yeah, like there's a time and space for that, and now we're just focusing on amping my track. Which I na video, na link, na promo, na link. Understand? Just for ukuthi babe amped up. Because if you can go to TikTok yami at the real Otis, or you can go to Makesh Malinda, you're gonna see ukuthi like you kuna ma videos were posted, 30 seconds, 15 seconds, along with my link with EP. You understand?
Sure.
Yeah, like it's fun. It's fun like that. Yeah, but we don't wanna ruin the hype. Music videos of Figa.
That's the budget.
Exactly. Yeah, understand? It's all about the Zaga. Yeah, man.
All right. Ila uthi ngibhayisi busy phone man. Masami sispaneni yangithola. So ngiyakuzwa nje kule ma tag la uspanele le cash le mangape?
Cash, Ocean Tycoon, Slew the Cat, and Joy Zulu.
No Joy Zulu.
Yeah.
All right. Ne salute ngiyabonga futhi uzwakele viki open mic session njalo. Uthi ngidistep ile outsile mara kuna nki. So ezozwakele kimi open mic session. Which track you gonna perform to us?
Okay, so this is special because I'm presenting Locked songs today. Locked meaning ukuthi they are not yet available, and like in a performer exclusive for my fan with open mic session.
Yeah.
So whatever I'm gonna do is these things that I'm gonna be releasing from November all the way to next year.
Yeah, so you release a year?
Yeah, you release a year. I'm working on a single. There's a single I train sevenza gulo. A1 yangu December, A1 yangu Valentine's Day. And then there's an EP yang funa kuyidrop nge 14 zaka February.
So we want kule EP.
Yeah, we want kule EP Far From Home.
All right. Ne fit. Yasipana nje. Ne pusha tjaka. Pusha wa fit. OTs wa fit. OTs njam. So uthini track evye?
Track I'm performer today. New performer I'm a track guy for today. All short.
Short.
Yeah.
A4 short.
Yeah, they're all like Nwakate shorts. They're not complete songs. I did a bit of a mixtape.
Mixtaping.
So it features songs
like Okay, no, I understand.
It features the freestyle, excess freestyle wepa inkhuluma nge-lifestyle yasekhasi. And then there's ikhokha ngikhuluma nje ngezitha zami eziyokhokha, like financially, physically and emotionally. Abanomona, understand. So yeah, it's all about the vibes. There's a booty call. I'm also gonna perform a booty call today. So mawuzwa nje igama lithi booty call wazi ukuthi yiyo le booty call. Hawe.
Kuyotizi bafethu. Dani nje ngibonge viyethu la mabonga mfethu. Bafethu kuyotizi aramugaye chance bafethu. Ara perform le track ya gage ngikhohle view kwakuthini
bazobona so bangena
okana kanothi zibo my4 nyana yeah
ngayisho nje ukuthi hayi bukela wena uzozibonela
ukuthi khambani uphetheni nje amarona ngichaza uyasebenza nje yabo bafethu kuyotizi bafethu aramugaye chance ara shape ka track ya gage ara bonse nywenywenywe
Yeah, baby, I gotta know how many times I'm getting that booty to call. Yeah, call me a chef, I make it chop, I'm in the zone. No area code, I'm tryna be positive. I be listening to Tory shit, yeah, I feel like I need it. How I make a booty pop, I see Jenny on my ops. They ain't got nothing to up to, they be the cost. They got a price to pay, and they pay no attention. My D walking like a rumor, her ass tapping, she in the mood. She could be high from that kush, dip inside, I give her a push. I got the flavor, I be the juice. We getting naked, with the truth. Sick and patient, I be the remedy. She looking hard, she smoking on truth. Smoking on candy, burning the roof. That's why I gotta know how many times I'm getting that booty to go. Yeah, call me a chef, I make it chop, I'm in the zone. No area code, I'm tryna be positive. I be smoking some Tory shit, and I feel like I need I'll make a booty pop. I see jelly on my ops. They ain't got nothing to up to, they be the cost. They got a price to pay. They pay no attention. My D walking like a room.
Maybe it's just a joke.
My guy, my Kenny, my guy Pat. Hey, yo, my nigga need. I took when you meet. Go back Bambi, she so go palace, so my poor, yes, she's there. Don't I lie? Phoenix, you go pipe. Phoenix, nigga joint. Phoenix, she you hype. Cartel, I'm a pig healing. Pussy, Peter pipe. Let me lay me snipe on fucking cloud. Yeah, Rick, yeah, Rick. No me speed to forget me, no say so break. Pendo con my coach, pero con gana y choices. Getting all reverse like a ride my baggage. Skip a cigar, oh, spell you 7, see a cuz. Make it humble, show more. Sandra Zackers, Lala wrong and Taramo. And Taramo. We bat a guy, we bat a mo, oh. Skip a cigar, oh, spell you 7, see a cuz. Make it humble, show more. Sandra Zackers, Lala wrong and Taramo. And Taramo, Taraka. We bat a mo. It's a good bump on the fucking more. Mama mung tengo li pole li ngai. Eto kui pompa ngi fale lo moyo. Yeah, besa baba ngani ba my ops. They look at the trip but shoot to morning. Head to delete to get head to be cold. Yeah, falling on blomo gang at in your cough. Yeah, enga ba koti ge sebe so cock. Yeah, ansatla seli ge sengi a blog. Yeah. Talk to me dirty or talk to me nice. I only got my eyes on the prize. I'm my enemy, but you're not gonna Shy still and go mobile. I be the nigga that you wanna fight. Umpanga ngobende nenyama ngayidlanga. Ishikishile sichike ngamandla. 10 missed calls if only come. Shipile sa quiskele, bina inspire. Vanilla essence, I'm on shit again, wapaga nice. I'm inspired, falling on too many heights. If you in the dark, let me help you find the light. Oh, mama mung tangi li pole lingan. Eto kui pompa ngi fale lo mo. Yeah, besa baba ngani ba my ops. They look at the trip but shoot to morning. Yeah. Kiyobanga to deliver my force, athi classic shama course. We are speed to pendo give pro shoes so shy sana na bangaboni. Ngondicele ngemali nesitoko, mekunzima siyokhala gogo. Sicela lifestyle sithi thank impilo, ngoba vele sayithanda impilo, stand imali, stand flex. Nice chick with a killer waist and a curve that's a flex. Gang like Justice League. The K9 unit niggas flourishing. I take pudding. It's like an army who put in some disguise. Pull up in the bands and shit. Some be jaywalking, but then see I got the passion shit. Some be chopping, then in the way I pendle this lap on. Yen some be net real, so I Japan. Kuse Vegas, kuse Kaslam. In the cars, with the polo and the bands. Do the most when the tour and the Vasco got the FK and I'm fresh show. Where the up since day one looks dope. Before the Shine and Mikey and the cocktail Sunday. Got me in a drip check Friday. Sex lifestyle.